Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you how I did this pink and purple look. I really like it. It's definitely a change from my last look that I did. And while you're watching this, I just hope that you guys are having a great summer, enjoying your day. It is a great summer day outside. I hear the birds chirping, it's sunny, it's bright, I'm inside so I'm cool. And just keep on watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, I'm using the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's palette. And I'm starting off with using a pointed blender brush by Crayon Brush. And I'm going into my crease with the Zobo color. And I'm just blending that into the crease using that pointed blender brush. Making sure I blend out those edges. Next I'm going in with Makeda. And I'm actually focusing that on the outer crease of my eye. And when I'm doing my eyeshadow, I just like to kind of put it in the crease and then drag it across. So I'm just blending that in and continuing to go back into the color so that I can build it up. I've then added the cut crease using e.l.f. concealer brush and the NYX eyeshadow base in number 3. And then I'm going in with the Bori from the palette using a flat brush to just pack that color on. And guys, it was so difficult to get this eyeshadow on with these lash extensions. This is my first time getting those, so it's kind of difficult to make sure I have all of the eyeshadow placed where it was supposed to be. And I'm just going back in with the Studio Basics Duo Smudging and Eye Blending brush to just take that purple color into the crease so that I could blend it out because I don't want any harsh edges. Next, I'm going in with the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner and Trooper. And I'm just lining the top. Again, this part was difficult, as you can see, because I was trying not to get onto the actual lashes. Moving on to the other eye, I'm just going back into the palette and doing the exact same thing. I'm also here using a clean brush just to blend out the color on the end. And then going back into the Makeda eyeshadow and putting it on the outer part of my eye and blending that into the crease. And this is the NYX eyeshadow base in number 3. And as you can see, I'm actually using a cut crease using the e.l.f. concealer brush. And I really take my time with this, guys, because I have somewhat of a hooded eyelid, and so that's why you see me pulling the outside of my eye like that, because that's really the only way that I can get it on there is by pulling my eye, even though I know that's not the best thing to do. So again, I'm just using that brush and packing on the Bori color, which is a beautiful bright pink, and then taking the other brush and going back in to add the Makeda back into there to blend out the color. Now I'm going in with a MAC Sheertone Shimmer Blush and Peachtwist using a angled brush by Crayon Brush. Just applying it to my cheek. Then I'm going in with the Sleek Face Contour Kit in medium. And I'm going to be using the highlighter color and I'm just using a brush that is pretty fluffy, so I like to use that for my highlight sometimes, just to get it exactly where I want it to be, because sometimes I can go a bit overboard with the highlight. Putting on the tip of my nose in the bridge, also my Cupid's bow. Look at that highlight. Next, I'm going in with the LA Girl Glide Gel Liner in Very Black and just putting that on my waterline. And then I'm using a flat brush to then go back in with the palette using the Makeda and the Zobo to put underneath on the bottom. And I really have to use something small or something flat when I do this underneath my eyes because I don't have that much space. And that was the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. And I'm putting it on the bottom. Lashes, because I'm not putting any mascara on the top since they are lash extensions. And then we're going into the lips. I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics-True Brown K lip liner. And then I'm going in with the Kylie Cosmetics-Dolce K liquid lip liner, and I'm just focusing that on the outside, on the outer portion of my lips, because I'm going to go in with another color to put on the inside, just to kind of give it that blended look. I am definitely into mixing my liquid lipsticks, or lipsticks for that matter. This is the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Putina. And I just put that in the inside. But honestly, once I put that on, I felt like the lips were a little bit too pink compared to the, or too peach compared to the eyeshadow. So then I decided to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Gloss in Sepia. And I put that on top just to try and tone down the lipstick. And I do think that did a good job because it made it not be so pink, and it actually made it a little bit more neutral with the eyes. So guys, I think this definitely came out the way that I expected. And I'll see you guys in my next video.